Hi, this is Randy Meyer, and this is my 5th new technology video. On this site, it's called Quizizz. That's for assessment, and Quizizz is an online assessment tool that allows teachers and students to create and use one another's quizzes. After providing students with unique access code, a quiz can be recorded live as a timed competition or used as homework assignment with a specific deadline. After the quizzes have been completed, students can review their answers. All right, so this is an assessment tool for the students and the teachers. The ITSEs are 7A, 7B, and 7C, all covering assessment. Like I say, this is for teachers and students. To build the quiz or to actually sign on here, it's the same as going onto the website, and they'll ask you for your email address, which you can use your Gmail, or you can go ahead and log in. It's real simple if you just hit your Gmail address. How to create quizzes? There's a couple ways you can go ahead to find a quiz. If you go to find a quiz, it goes to the core classes. Junior ROTC, which I teach. We do teach some of the core classes. I could use any one of these, but another way to go ahead is to create a new quiz. If I put in here JROTC, I hit other, I hit next. Okay, then I want to teleport, because I can use other people's quizzes that they made to create my own. Okay, so I can come on here, I can add from here, I can go ahead and add another question. Many questions I want, I come over here, click on to leadership test. Again, I can add questions, come up with a test, a general knowledge test on pretty much anything I want to. So I add all these on here. And once I'm done, I just go ahead and click here, and develop my test. Okay, all I have to do is hit finish quiz. Again, you can upload an image or anything you want on there. The only thing you have to do here is you want English, of course, if you're teaching English. Your grades, I teach 9th through 12th. Okay, all I gotta do is hit save. Okay, and that's my quiz right here. It's already made up for me. However many questions I want, it's all right here. All I have to do is then assign it. I can do it as a live game where they compete against each other. With it being timed, they can hit it. They can come on here and sign in and take a solo practice test, or I can assign this as homework, which is probably what I would do on an assessment like this. You hit homework. You got 1 day and 6 minutes from now. You can go ahead and change it to whatever. But if I did it, would be an overnight thing, just like this says. Then all I have to do is hit host game. Gives me this code right here, and all I have to do is give my students this information right here, and they can go on here and take this quiz. I can come down here. It'll give me the accuracy, the number of questions I have, and how many individuals have gone ahead and taken the test. I can view the quiz again, and anything like that. So it's pretty quick and easy. I can get assessment. I can get feedback on how they're doing, why the quiz is going on, if a lot of people are missing or not, just by simply looking on here for the accuracy questions and things like that. So it's pretty easy way to have an assessment on your students. Like I say, you can assign this as homework, or they can take it as a practice test or a practice quiz, anything like that.